Hello YouTube, welcome back to another model aircraft review. Today I'll be reviewing the Phoenix Models 1/400 scale Qatar Airways Boeing 777-200LR with the special 100th aircraft sticker. This model, as a matter of fact, actually in my last review video, there was actually a tie between this one and the Etihad A321. So what I did was I did a poll on Instagram between this model and the Etihad A321, and this model won, so that's why I'm doing it now. But because there's so many votes for the Etihad A321 as well, I'll do that in my next review. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the box. I got this model in 2014 from jetwaymodels.com. I'm pretty sure they're sold out there now, but yeah. So at the top we have Boeing 777-200LR. The picture of the aircraft there with the Qatar Oryx in the background. The Qatar Airways logo, registration down there, which is A7-BBI or Alpha 7-Bravo Bravo India. Then the 100th aircraft writing there. 1/400 scale Platinum Series. Moving to the bottom of the box. Hold on. There's the bottom there. The right flap. There's the top, and then the left flap, and then the back, which is limited edition. Qatar Airways logo, 100th aircraft, and yeah. So pretty straightforward box. Nice designs too, as you can see in the back, which is pretty much. Actually, it is the same as my. They're the same. These designs, they're the same as my Qatar One World 333 box. So go check that review out if you haven't already. But anyways, that's it for the box. Now let's go to the model itself. Alright, so here's the model itself. So it started with the nose, as always. So let me just zoom in and show you guys. So there's a bit of glare there. Alright, so we'll start over here. We got the cockpit windows here, windshield wipers, the nose cone outlined, the name of the aircraft, which if you guys can see it, right underneath the nose, the cockpit windows, there's the name, which is Jaow Al-Salam, which is the name of the aircraft. If you can see it, yeah, you can see it right there. Jaow Al-Salam is the name of the aircraft. Then we have the Pitot Tubes there, the 100th aircraft sticker there, because this is Qatar's 100th aircraft delivered. And then we have the L1 and L2 doors and the One World logo next to the L1 door. The nose gear with BI written on the nose gear flap, last two letters of registration. And then we've got the Qatar Airways titles here. I really like Qatar's livery. Like, it's one of my favorite, if not my favorite, on the 777. I like it more on the 333, but it's just a great livery overall. So yeah. Anyway, moving on. Let me just show you guys the engines. As you can see, these are the GE9110B engines, BL engines, I think. As you can see, the fan blades in there. The Qatar Airways Oryx on the engines. Then the landing gear do roll, obviously. Then we have the Qatar Airways logo not logo in Arabic, but Al-Qatariya written in Arabic there. And here's the wings with no overwing exits because it's a 777-200. You can see nothing really special. Then we have the raked wingtip because it's a 200LR with the navigation light, and then you can also see the landing lights right there. Then we have the L3 door, and then the L4 right there with the Qatar flag and the registration A7-BBI there. And then on the back we have the tail with the Oryx logo, and then the stabilizers and the APU back there. And then on the top we've got there would be antennas here. 2 of the 3 antennas are missing. Like I said, I got this model in 2014, so it is showing its age. These 2 antennas fell off, and this one is remaining. Sadly, I don't know why. This one was pretty loose, and it was bound to fall off, so I took it out anyway. This one, I don't know where it went. And then you have also more light detail at the top, you can see. And then we have the hump there. Or SATCOM is what it's called. I keep calling it the hump, but it's a SATCOM, I think. Alright, now let's move on to the other side of the aircraft. Phoenix really did a good job with the colors of the model. I really like it, how well they did with the colors. Alright, so you can see right there we have the, what's it called? The front main cargo door there. And then the back we have the other 2 cargo doors, like always with. Alright, so now let's move on to the underbelly of the model. Alright, so we can see right here the nose gear door, if it'll focus. Yeah, nose gear door is there. Qatar written billboard titles on the underbelly there. The landing gear, which pivot, because Phoenix is 777s, they have this capability of having their landing gears pivot. Then the registration again. Sorry, A7BBI. Stand hole right there. The RAT system, which is that rectangle thing. And then the red antenna, which thankfully is not fallen off yet. But if you can see it there. Alright, it's not going to focus, but actually let me just... Yeah, you might be, yeah, you can see it there. And then, yeah, so that's basically it. Beautiful model. Phoenix actually did come out with another Qatar 777-200LR which is in the regular livery, which does not have the 100th aircraft sticker, A7-BBB. I have plans on trying to get it at least because my dad actually flew that exact aircraft. So yeah, I'll try to get it, but as of right now I'm fine. So yeah, great model, would definitely recommend it. It is sadly rare, so you can probably find it on eBay. Would definitely give this model a 10 out of 10. There's no color issues anywhere that I can see. Amazing details. Phoenix they picked up all the details and applied them to the model. No issues or anything, just the antennas fell off, which is not really their fault. Well, maybe it is kind of their fault for not putting them on properly, because they were a bit loose, like I said, when I got them, when I got the model in the mail. But overall, great model. Definitely give it a 10 out of 10. Highly recommended. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed. It was a pretty quick review video, actually, because there's really nothing much to show on the model, but beautiful model. Phoenix really executed it well. Next review will be the Etihad A321, and with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the review. Comment, like, rate, subscribe if you guys are new, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.